Champ Barbecuers. Today, we're cooking up in a rainstorm. Oh, hell yeah. And we're making some Wagyu Smashburgers. Oh, hell yeah. Let's make some music. Oh, hell yeah. So this is my first time ever having a Wagyu Smashburger, or any kind of Wagyu in that fact. So check this out, boys. Oh hell yeah, we use that Cosmos Q SPG up on these burgers. Let's get a bite. We made some In-N-Out style sauce for the bottom. Oh yeah. God dang. Damn. Boy, it's a messy one. Man. Ooh. Wagyu Smashburgers. Oh, hell yeah. That is amazing. Freaking fantastic. Silky smooth meat, man. That is something different I've never had. And I think I'll be trying a little bit more of that in the future. Brioche bun. I tried to make some kind of animal sauce from the In-N-Out burger, and that came out awesome. It's like a Big Mac sauce. I've never had In-N-Out, so I'm not sure. And yeah, on the Blackstone, smash it down, basic. I didn't have the freaking heat high enough when I first popped it on. It is what it is, man. You get that heat pumped up, you're good to go. Flip them son of a guns, pop the American cheese on, that cheap American cheese, which I used to hate. I never liked American cheese until I started doing smash burgers. Tried it one time and I was like, I don't know, man, that's pretty good. Tried it again. Oh, it's the way to go. And build your burger any way that you like. I doubled up mine. Oh, hell yeah. And then we use that Cosmos Q SPG. That's pretty damn good stuff right there, folks. If it don't got none, go get some. Good stuff. Oh, and we have a couple new stickers for the board. Oh, hell yeah. New stickers. Yeah, thank you very much. Well, thank you. Thanks for the trade. Keep smoking. Fireman AK. Roof's Doghouse. Somebody's firing off fireworks. Hell yeah, bro. So I don't know if I've ever caught your channel, but it seems like that that green stuff up there that's like up near Alaska, that crazy stuff that's hard to see. I forget what it's called. Borealis or whatever the hell, I can't pronounce it. You're going on the board either way. Andrew's head fits like a charm. And then, finally, from Tommy over at the Gallery Backyard Barbecue. Oh, hell yeah. Been watching him for a while. He's been a great subscriber as well. We communicate to one another. It's awesome. And he says he's getting a new logo. Hey, Tommy, if you need any help with the logo, I'm your guy if you need it. Andrew's good too. Now, I'm trying to find a spot to put this. That guy's a construction worker. Jeez. Man, that's cool. That sticker board is almost completely full. There's only about, if you got small stickers, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 big stickers, so like 5 more stickers tops. So like I said, I got 2 more boards ready to rock. We're gonna redo this wall once I start that second one. And oh, check this guy. And it was hot, man. I got the fan. But check this guy out. Boom! Finally found a spot for Uncle Steve's Shake. When I get my new banner, she going up there. Boom, right there. This is gonna get shifted over to the corner. Yeah. So my new logo that I created, it's almost identical. Just a little updated, that's all. So join the Beer Champ Nation. Hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and smash that dinner bell. Because that's what time it is. Oh, hell yeah.